Welcome to an EmpowerPL video tutorial. Today we're going to be working in Google Docs. So we're going to start by creating a brand new document. So I'm going to go up over to the left-hand side and click on the New button there, click on New, and then select Document to create a new document. Once we have our document, we're going to go ahead and type in some content here so that we can change up the formatting. So let's go ahead and title our document, and I'm going to call this a demo doc. I'm going to come down here to the text section and just type in the same thing. So demo doc. And then what I'm going to do is simply highlight the text there and then go up here to the top section where you see the fonts. So I'm just going to click on that drop down menu and you'll notice that I get a drop down of different fonts that I can pick from. I'm just going to go ahead and select one. And then we're going to come up here and let's just go ahead and change the size. You can see that get really, really big. You can also use the plus and the minus symbols there. These are clickable icons that allow you to certainly also adjust the font size. You can also bold, italicize, underline. We can even change the color if we'd like, and even the highlight color if we wanted to have a highlight color on there as well. So lots of really cool things you can do, a lot of sort of formatting options that are available there. Now let's say we were going to put this set of this bit of text here multiple times. I'm going to go ahead and just do that really quick so that we can see a couple of extra things. And I'm going to go ahead and take away a lot of the changes we made so we can actually really see some differences. So what I want to show you next, let's get rid of that highlight. Okay, so what I want to show you next is this spacing. So I'm going to highlight the first two demo doc bit of text there. And up here at the top right, I'm going to go to the line spacing. You can see the two arrows there at top, bottom, and then a little bit of just some lines, some 3 lines, which is supposed to be your text. So we're going to click on that button. And in this drop-down menu, you have a lot of different options for spacing. You can go single spacing, which removes pretty much all the spacing that's on that paragraph, or in this case, 2 lines of text. And the spacing that it's removing is between the two different sets of text that I have highlighted. You can go to 1.5, double, or you can actually customize your spacing. So it's totally up to you what you want to do there. And you can see as I make those changes how it adjusts the text on the screen there. You can also add space before and after the paragraph and pretty much customize this to look the way you are going to want it to look. So that's just a little bit there that I wanted to share with you so you would know that there are definitely some customizable features of what you can do with your text. I also want to point out over here to the left-hand side of where you would select your fonts, you'll find where it says normal text. That's the default option that will show up there. If you drop down that menu, you'll see that you also have some options for some headers that have been preset with sizes, as well as in some cases, it might even do like an italicized version, etc. So you have some options that you can choose from there. And I'm going to zoom in here so you can see that your very, very last option in the drop-down menu, it says options. And then when the window opens up, it'll show you that you have some additional things you can pick from in that section. So you can actually create your own default styles here and certainly reset back to the ones that the system comes with. And that's kind of nice because sometimes perhaps you have some documents where you want to create a template and you want people to use certain headers and so forth. And so you can actually set those to be the font and the size that you want. So that's really cool. Anyway, hope this is helpful, and we'll see you in another video tutorial soon.